to Money Saving Monday. I am about ready to head out to do a glitter wall, and I picked up my glitter gun, and I realized, you know what? I should actually do a Money Saving Monday about the glitter gun. We sell these on the site for $85 plus shipping, but we also rent them. And if you are somebody like, our studio, where we're using it all the time, we're doing walls, floors, driveways, whatever, we're using it constantly. Makes sense to own one, but if maybe you're just going to do a wall or a floor, and usually you just do small projects, so you really don't need a glitter gun, renting is a great way to go. So our rentals are $35, and what you get for that is shipping to you, shipping back, and 2 weeks of getting to keep the gun. So really, honestly, we're giving it away in a way, right? Because shipping is so expensive. So, what we do is we put them out of stock on the site all the time. You have to give us a call. So if you want to rent, just pick up the phone, call. We usually have 5, 6 of these things all ready to go. So, generally, if you see them on the site, they're available. And we will rent one to you. So just start with a phone call or an email. We'll send you a link to a form where you can rent one, and you got 2 weeks. And to do a wall and a floor does not take 2 weeks, even with practice. So it's a really good deal. So just wanted to give that tip to you. All right, have a good one. Bye-bye.